The AERO 15 OLED laptop is the perfect laptop for any creator out there.
What? The AERO 15 OLED laptop is the perfect laptop for any gamer out there. What? This is a creator laptop and I can prove it. It's a gamer laptop and I will prove it.
This is a creator's PC through and through. Let's start by mentioning the 11th gen Intel Core i7-11800H, and it's 8 cores.
8 cores.
These beautiful machines feature enhanced AI intelligent performance to accelerate task completion in creative applications. Plus, it has an elegant design with a display capable of 100% DCI P3 color gamut. Creator.
Yeah, because we all know gamers hate good resolution. The 4K UHD AMOLED display is perfect for gamers. Or, if you're going full monitor, the HDMI 2.1 supports resolution all the way up to 8K at 120 Hz for all the smooth detail you can handle.
Thanks, nerd. For any creators out there, enjoy all these ports and jacks, including the one that old Dorkosaurus there was blabbering on about. You could be transferring footage from SD cards to hard drives, all while working on dual monitors connected to Ethernet.
Yeah, gamers never multitask. I'm sure gamers also wouldn't enjoy the movable webcam screen for maximum privacy. Or the WindForce Infinity with its 2 71-blade fans and 5 heat pipes.
You know gamers love to keep it cool.
So cool. Yes, the coolest. Well, how about the battery life? Clearly for creators, an entire 8-hour workday on a single charge, plus NVIDIA GPU Studio drivers bring out the best in your creative suite. Are creators seriously trying to claim the 30 series NVIDIA graphics card? Because that's more offensive
than crypto mine.
The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 is ours, for the love of Sutherland. Ray tracing, DLSS, tensor cores, plus the 16 gig RAM and the 1 terabyte SSD. Please, you're gonna want to be gaming on this machine all day. Transfer data up to 40 gigabytes per second, clearly meant for creators. 5.0 gigahertz processor, gamers. 8 cores and 16 threads, creators. A resizable bar that can access the entire GPU frame buffer at once, gamers. Smart Power Manager adjusts the best CPU and GPU wattage settings for different apps. Creators. Nuh-uh, that's a gaming feature. That is definitely more for gamers. Creator. Gamer. Creator. Gamer. Creator. Gamer. Creator. Gamer. 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 Tour. Gamer. Creator.
Introducing the all-new GIGABYTE AERO 15 OLED XD. It's for creators and gamers.